It'll be the first in South Africa. It's a mass burn waste to energy plant. It's very much the applied technology in Europe. I was over in Sweden recently, and believe it or not, Sweden imports 700,000 tons a year of waste into Sweden for the waste energy plants. So, waste is certainly becoming a resource and not something that is traditionally put in a hole in the ground and is forgotten about. But also, we should commission this year in July our first RDF plant, which is refuse-derived fuel. Again, it's liberating energy from fuel. It's a plant that will be located in Johannesburg, and we will take domestic waste and selected industrial waste. We'll process it to a certain fraction size, and that will be baled up and then also used in cement kilns for energy. So the waste sector, we've seen a lot of alternative uses of waste rather than just, as I say, landfilling it. And as a group, we're very focused on alternatives. I think our business has moved progressively in the last 4 to 5 years away from landfill disposal and more into reutilization, and hence our focus. We also have our liquid waste treatment plant, so we have a company-wide ban, and we no longer put liquid waste into landfills. We rather put them through the treatment plant. And all of this, makes up our service offering to our clients to offer a holistic environmental service, which is really focused around landfill avoidance, but primarily environmental compliance. And we have seen a lot of legislational changes in South Africa, which drives a lot of these initiatives. There's a legislation coming into effect next year which will ban certain wastes from landfill sites, which is a first for South Africa. So a lot of multinationals will no longer be allowed to dispose of, let's say, waste with a high energy value or high calorific values we know in the industry into a landfill site. They will rather have to dispose of that material through to a waste to energy plant and liberate the energy.